Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Hub, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Eve.
Hello, Eve, and a big hello to all our amazing listeners. It's wonderful to be here with you again.
It's always great to be here. How are you doing today, Adam?
I'm doing very well, thank you, Eve. I'm feeling great. And you? How are you?
I'm great, thanks. I'm excited because today is Monday.
Monday, Eve. Usually people don't like Mondays. They feel tired after the weekend.
That's true, but Monday is special because we get to talk about the weekend.
Ah, I see. We can share stories. I love stories.
Yes, and today we have a very useful topic for our listeners. We're going to learn how to answer the question, how was your weekend?
That's a very common question. My coworkers ask me that every Monday morning. Hey, Adam, how was your weekend?
Exactly. It's the perfect way to start a conversation on Monday. But sometimes it's hard to find the right words in English.
Yes, because we need to talk about the past, things that happened yesterday or 2 days ago.
Correct. So today, we'll tell you about our weekends, and we'll look at the verbs we use, the past tense verbs.
That sounds perfect. I want to tell you about my weekend. It was interesting.
Oh, I'd love to hear about it. But wait, before we start our stories, we have a small favor to ask our friends who are listening.
Yes, please. If you're enjoying our podcast, please subscribe to the Master English Hub. It helps us so much.
And please give this episode a like, a big thumbs up. It helps other English learners find our videos.
And share it with your friends. Learning English is better when you learn together.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Adam, are you ready to talk about the past?
I'm ready.
Let's start with a simple question. Adam, how was your weekend?
My weekend was very busy, Eve. I didn't stop.
Oh, really? What did you do?
Well, on Saturday morning, I went to the park. The weather was beautiful. It was very sunny.
Ah, that sounds nice.
It was. I walked for 1 hour, and then I played tennis with my brother.
You played tennis? Wow, you're very active.
I try to be. I like tennis, but I'm not very good.
That's okay. It's just for fun. So you walked and you played?
Yes, walked and played.
Listeners, did you hear that sound? Adam said walked and played.
Yes, the sound is at the end of the word.
This is a secret about English verbs. For many verbs, when we talk about the past, we just add ed to the end.
Ah, yes, regular verbs. I remember this from school.
Exactly. Walk becomes walked. Play becomes played. It's very easy.
It is easy. Just add -ed. What about watch, like watch TV?
Good question. Watch becomes watched.
Watched. Okay, I watched a movie on Saturday night.
See, you're doing it. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy. It was very funny. I laughed a lot.
There's another one. Laughed becomes laughed.
This is great. So I walked, I played, I watched, and I laughed. You had a wonderful Saturday.
I did. It was great. But Adam, what about you? How was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing. I stayed at home mostly.
Ah, stayed. Stay plus ed. I hear it.
Yes, I stayed home. I needed to clean my house.
Oh no, cleaning is boring.
It's a little boring, but I cleaned the kitchen and I washed my clothes.
Cleaned and washed. You were very busy too.
Yes, but after that, I cooked a big dinner for my family.
Kurt. What did you cook?
I cooked pasta with a special tomato sauce.
That sounds delicious. I'm hungry now.
It was very good. Everyone liked it.
Liked. Everyone liked it. That's good.
So, Eve, these words are easy. Cleaned, cooked, washed, played. These are the regular verbs.
Yes, they're nice and simple. But, Adam,
Yes, Eve?
sometimes English is not simple.
You're right. Sometimes English is tricky.
Yes, because on Sunday, I did not go to the beach.
No, please don't say goed. That sounds very funny.
I know. But go is a verb. Why isn't it goed?
Because go is a rebel. It's an irregular verb. It doesn't follow the rules.
A rebel verb. I like that. So, what's the past of go?
The past of go is went.
Went. That's a completely different word.
It is Went. Went.
So, on Sunday, I went to a restaurant.
Went to a restaurant. Perfect. And did you eated good food?
No, not eated.
Correct. Eat is also a rebel. What's the past of eat?
The past of eat is ate.
8, like the number 8.
Yes, I ate a big burger.
Yummy! So, you went to a restaurant and you ate a burger.
Yes, and then I saw a friend.
Ah, saw. That's the past of see.
Yes, I didn't see, I saw him.
You're a star student, Eve. See becomes saw. Who did you see?
I saw my friend Tom. You know Tom?
Yes, I know Tom. He's funny.
He is. We had a good talk.
Had. That's the past of have.
Yes, have becomes had. We had coffee.
These irregular verbs are very important. We use them all the time.
Yes, go, eat, see, have.
Went, ate, saw, had.
We just need to memorize them, right?
Yes, just practice them. When you tell a story, try to remember the special word.
Okay, let me try another one. Buy. Like, I buy food.
Good one. Buy is very common. What's the past?
Is it buyed?
No, try again.
Is it bought?
Yes, bought. It sounds like bought.
Bought. Okay, I bought a ticket for the cinema.
Perfect. You bought a ticket.
This is fun. It's like a game, regular or irregular.
It is. So let's look at your Sunday again. You went to a restaurant, irregular.
Yes.
You ate a burger, irregular.
Yes.
You saw Tom.
Yes.
And then, did you go home?
Yes. I went home and I was tired, so I slept.
Slept. That's the past of sleep.
Yes, not sleeped. It's slept.
Wow, Eve. Your Sunday was full of irregular verbs.
It really was. And your Saturday was full of regular verbs. You cleaned and cooked.
Yes, I like to follow the rules.
That's very funny.
But you know, Eve, there's one more thing.
What's that? When we ask the question, we use a special helper word.
A helper word?
Yes. Listen to the question. What did you do?
Ah, did. D-I-D.
Yes. Did helps us ask about the past. What did you eat? Where did you go?
Who did you see?
Wait, so I say, where did you go? Not, where did you went?
Yes, you're so smart. When we use did, the verb stays in its normal form.
That's a very good tip. Where did you go? I went to the park.
What did you eat? Yes, I ate pizza.
Did you watch a movie? Yes, I watched a movie.
Perfect. You have the full conversation now. This makes me feel much more confident. I can talk to my boss tomorrow.
Yes. When he asks, "How was your weekend, Adam?" What will you say?
I'll say, it was great. I went to the park, I played tennis, and I ate a good burger.
That's a perfect answer. It's clear, uses the past tense, and it's interesting.
And I can ask him, how was your weekend, boss?
Yes. And then listen for his verbs. Does he say watched or went?
I'll listen carefully. It's good practice.
Listening is the best practice.
Eve, I have a funny story from my weekend. I forgot to tell you.
Oh, tell me.
On Saturday, when I played tennis, I fell.
Oh no, you fell. Fell is the past of fall.
Yes, I fell on the grass.
Were you okay?
Yes, I was okay, but my white t-shirt, it became green.
Oh no, green grass stains.
Yes, I looked like a green monster.
That's funny. So, did you clean your t-shirt?
I tried. I washed it.
Washed. Regular verb.
Yes, good job. And it's still a little green.
Well, now you have a garden t-shirt.
Exactly. It's my tennis shirt now.
See, even a small accident is a good story. And great English practice.
Yes, I fell. I washed. Stories are everywhere. I'm sure our listeners have stories too.
Everyone does something on the weekend, even if you just relaxed. Relaxed is a regular verb.
Or if you read a book. Read is funny, Eve.
Oh, yes. Tell us about read.
The word looks the same, R-E-A-D, but we say it differently.
Yes. In the present, it's read, like read. In the past, it's read, like the color red.
For instance, I read a book yesterday.
English is crazy sometimes.
It is, but that's why we love it.
Exactly. It's a puzzle. So, Adam, we talked about regular verbs like cooked and played.
And irregular verbs like went, saw, and ate.
And we talked about using did for questions.
I think our listeners are ready for Monday morning small talk.
I think so too. They can be confident. Adam, did you have any ice cream this weekend?
Eve, how did you know?
I guessed. You love ice cream.
I do. I bought a chocolate ice cream on Sunday.
Bought. Excellent. Was it good?
It was delicious. Ice cream is always a need, not a want. I remember that from our money episode.
Well, Adam, our time is almost finished.
Oh, that went very fast. Went fast.
It did. I loved hearing about your weekend.
And I liked hearing about your clean house and pasta.
Thank you. It's nice to share.
It is. Friends, share stories.
So, listeners, now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
Yes, we have a question for the comments.
Please tell us, what did you do this weekend?
Did you stay home? Did you go to the park? Did you watch a movie?
Try to write 1 or 2 sentences in the past tense. Use the words we learned today.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. We love reading your stories.
We really do. It makes us very happy.
And please, if you liked this chat, subscribe to the channel.
And share this episode with a friend who's learning English. Maybe you can practice talking about your weekend together.
That's a great idea. Practice makes perfect.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. Have a wonderful week.
Yes, have a great week, and good luck with your English. Bye-bye.
Bye for now, and see you in the next video.